Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, and for a while now I've been thinking about putting together a membership group or a community type setup for Cultured Expressions, but I guess I've been holding off because I was looking for a way to kind of make it different from all the others that are available and kind of give it a Cultured Expressions kind of a twist. So I found that inspiration during a recent trip to Ghana where I found the Royal Crown Academy. It's a school for nursery school through level 1, which is about 6 years old at the moment. And I wanted to really kind of put together the community and membership aspect with a fundraising aspect. So I'm really excited about this school. I know the owner for about 10 years now. We're good friends. His name is Philip Kwesi Lude. He started the school during the pandemic because there was a need to to continue the education. And they are now serving about 90 to 95 students so far and growing. And I just felt like it was a great cause and a great way that we can kind of give back. And also, we've got some really great benefits for you as a patron and as a supporter. So I hope you'll join me in this adventure. It's going to be fun as usual. We're going to do some really cool things and everybody's going to benefit, whether you're a patron, whether you're a student at the school. Got some really fun things kind of lined up, and I just hope you'll join me. So please read up. If you have any questions, you can email me, lisa@culturedexpressions.com. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook or here on Patreon. And I look forward to you joining us. Thanks.